Hello guys, this is K Solar Energy. In this video, I will be showing you on how to use your clamp meter to check your panel voltage and to check your amps as well. This is the Unit T multimeter. First of all, here is my panel, the JA panel. I will be checking the voltage of this panel and the amps of this panel. As you can see, it's a brand new. Follow me while I show you how to go about it. Here, first of all, I'm cutting the latches from the wires of this panel. Then I'll show you how to go about it. As you can see, doing it neat. We have to be careful not to cut the wire as well. Look at it. Here is my clamp meter. I'll put the positive on the positive side, put the negative on the negative side. All right. Then I'm going to turn on my meter, my clamp meter, put it on DC voltage. Then with this one, I'm going to be checking the voltage of the panel. This is how to put it. That is my negative. I'll put the negative wire from the clamp meter. I'll put my positive wire from the clamp meter as well. Here it is. Look, this is how to check your voltage of the panel. So as you can see right now, it's in the morning, it's not fully sunny day. Here's the panel. Here's the panel. It's 575 watts. Look at it again. I'm repeating this step. Positive for positive, negative for negative. So you can see it's 49.3. 49.3. This is my voltage on the panel this morning. I'll be tuning this meter to check the amps reading. Okay, this is how to check your amps reading. Take off this wire from the multimeter, open it. You're going to fuse the both wire together. There you will get your amps. Here you get your amps. This is my amps as at now, because it's not fully sunny day. The weather is really bad. I'm going to try this again and I'll see what's going to give me. But this is how to check. I'm doing that again. Look at it. Right now I'm having 5.82, 5.84. Right now I'm going to be unplugging the wire from the panel to avoid damage. Thank you. Like